Okay, let's see if it loaded yet. Or formatted, I meant to say.
The file DANIMDLL is not copy correct.
That's the first time I got that error. CD-ROM probably timed out on it, I don't know. That's
I think it's original. Oh, I can't.
That's the original CD-ROM that came with the damn thing. It's going pretty fast. 86% now. It is HP Pavilion model number 533W. This computer was manufactured in, I believe it's November 2002. It's got a little age to it, but it's newer than some of the ones I've seen.
It's almost done. Let me get the initialized.
No, I don't want to boot from a CD again. That took too fucking long. Yay! Microsoft Windows XP. Oh, crap. I got driver issues. Running up. Oh, fuck. Finding drivers for this piece of shit takes goddamn forever. Oh, well. That's for a good cause, you know. I'm gonna get everything set up. Get this computer good, looking good, cleaned up, and sell it. I haven't figured a price yet, but I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna have driver issues with this motherfucker. Installing Windows. The setup will complete in approximately 39 minutes. Oh, we'll be back in 39 minutes. Ugh.